Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see information about the contest arranged by SelectorsHub. By this contest, you have a chance to win a free t-shirt and a free certificate. This contest is arranged to know more about SelectorsHub platform. So this is the official website of the SelectorsHub. You can go through it. I'm going to mention all the links in the description. This is the certificate looks like. After completing the quiz, you are getting this certificate for free, and this is the t-shirt. Link for the contest quiz is mentioned in the description below. You can go through it. So here you are basically due to the email, country, designation, company, or you can mention your college name, then delivery address. As you are getting the free t-shirt, you need to put your address correctly. After that, mobile number, t-shirt size, and on the next page quiz will be start. Let's take a quick look on rules and regulation for the competition. So here is the rules. You need to score 100% marks in the first attempt only. After that, you need to share your certificate on LinkedIn post and tag to the SelectorsHub. Then you need to give the 5-star rating and add the certificate on the LinkedIn profile. Basically, this is just a marketing strategy. You need to follow this strategy, as the t-shirt worth ₹450 rupees. Every week, this t-shirt will win by 3 lucky winners. You can see it here. These winners will be announced on the YouTube platform, and the link is here. I will mention all the links in the description below, so no need to worry. After winning the t-shirt, you need to wait up to 20 days, as it will take 2 days to order, and after that 15 days for the delivery. Even though you are not a lucky winner, then also you can pay 450 rupees and get this t-shirt. Here are some important rules you must need to know. First one is you must attempt the quiz through laptop, because there are some mandatory questions which required laptop. The second one is you need to sign up with the same email ID you are going to use for the quiz. And after that, the important rule is there is only one t-shirt will be sent to the particular address. So you cannot win the 2 t-shirts for the same home. If you watch this video till now, then you increase your chance to win the t-shirt by 50% more, as I am giving you all the answers. So these are the questions and its correct answers. You can go through it one by one. You can pause the video and tick mark the right answers. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe for such more videos. So that's it guys for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you really enjoyed this video and get some more information. Thank you for watching this video.